What did Unikeys say to Bsun? Nothing. They just waved. What's going on, everyone? Destin here. Today we'll be talking about Unikeys and Bsun's latest linear switches, the Waves rail bottom mounts. Coming pre-lubed from the factory, but only lubed on the upper stems, while the stem legs and leaves are dry. The springs are lubed with a dry film. Costing $4 with a set of 10 switches in a pack, these switches equate to 40 cents each switch. Consisting of a palm top housing, Y3X rail bottom mount stem, a 22mm single stage nickel plated spring with a palm bottom housing. As a disclaimer on Unikey's site, the Waves switches only come with the lubed stem sliders. Stem legs and leaves are dry. There may be some slight noise when the switches actuate due to the stem legs making contact with the leaves. When applying a very thin coat of lube on either the stem legs or the leaf itself will help eliminate the noise. Really digging the colors, just for the top and bottom housing being a nice mint sea breeze green and a white stem to really make things pop. Bsun's new stem and housings, these switches offer little to no wobble. In the sound section, these switches do offer some clack, but at a medium to deeper tone, while surprisingly having a smooth and soft bottom mount. Pick up a set of the Wave rail bottom mount switches from Unikeys and Bsun's to give them a go for yourself and see how you like them. For the sound test today, we'll be using the Luminkey 60 Pro with the polycarbonate plate and no foams. Let's take a listen.